Hello, everybody. My name is Kennedy, and welcome to the breakdown. And today it's episode 3 of season 2. And today we will be talking about American surveillance and the depth of American privacy. And this will come by three means, or it already has come by three ways. The death of privacy in America has happened by technology, one, by law, two, and by institutions, three. So if we were to tackle this issue, we must look at all three. Thomas Jefferson said, "Those who are willing to give up their liberty for their freedom deserve neither." And neither will they keep it, to be honest. So let's examine how we as Americans have essentially given up our privacy and our rights right now as we speak. First and foremost, if you've never heard of the flock system, you're way behind. You need to be aware of this because it's a violation of your Fourth Amendment, which is a right against unreasonable searches and seizures. Flock separate safety operations has more than 120,000 automated license and plate reader cameras across 49 states and over 6,000 communities. But remember, the Constitution says that in order for them to search you, they must have probable cause. So this is just ignoring all of that and just putting AI cameras across everywhere. Your cars pass through those, I'm sure of it. They're everywhere. So the problem with this is something called the fruit of the poisonous tree, meaning if the police violate a right, for example, your right against unreasonable searches, then whatever they find cannot count as evidence. I know this for a fact because when I was going to K-State, my roommate allowed the police to come search our room because somebody said that it smelled like weed, I guess. So he let them search and they found my weed. And the thing was, I was either going to accept a plea deal of 2 years of probation or go to jail for a year if I lost the case. But I said, you know what? I'll fight the case. I fought the case and I beat it because I proved that the search was illegal and the judge agreed with me. So we must understand that illegally obtained evidence from illegal searches cannot be used in a court of law. But if these people don't even have probable cause and they're collecting all this evidence, makes you wonder, are you innocent before guilty? Are you now guilty until proven innocent? Because it seems to be in reverse. The cameras will catch you and then you gotta go prove your innocence. Instead of them having a reason to even search you, and then them having to prove that you're guilty. So it's now you're guilty until proven innocent instead of innocent until proven guilty. Okay. The second thing we're going to talk about is the violation of our rights by the institutions. Edward Snowden is still in hiding, and he had stated and exposed that the National Surveillance Agency was spying on American people. And we're aware of this, but we haven't necessarily done anything or addressed it legally. Those laws are still intact. The Patriots Act is still there. We even went to war about it, a war that we should not have. So, by law, by technology, and by institutions. By technology, this is the most prodigious ones because one, I mentioned the cameras. Also, the government can hack your TV and your microphones, and we all know that they can hack into your microphones. They can hack into your cameras, and all that is illegal unless they have a probable cause to do that. And this disturbs me as I see society progress more towards the elite oligarchs. The most richest people are the technocrats, and they want to push our society more towards being dependent on technology. But that does not necessarily mean that just because we use technology more, that we should allow our privacy to be violated either. And lastly, it's surveillance by choice. Businesses and security agencies everywhere, everybody buying protection and all that. But in reality, there's a reason why you have The Second Amendment, you have the right to bear arms for a reason, because the police might not even arrive there in time to help you. And lastly, the most disturbing thing about all this is that the data centers provide perfect infrastructure for surveillance, which makes you wonder, is that why the government has not done anything to limit how much electricity these data centers are consuming? Are they really only for business purposes? That just makes you wonder. I'm not accusing or saying anything. Allegedly, the data centers could be used as infrastructure for a surveillance state. So now we've seen that the death of privacy in American surveillance has happened by technology, by law, and by institutions. Thank you for joining me with this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Have a great day.